sure all Final Cut Pro editors have frequently used images and logos and even intro and outro clips. I'll show you a little trick that you won't know about where you can store them and have them available to you for any library that you've got open. In the past, I created a Final Cut library where I could store anything I wanted to keep for future use, and that works just fine, but it needs to be opened every time you want to find an image. There's a better way. At the top left of the browser, select Photos and then My Albums, and that's it. You can have images and logos, even short video segments, used intros and outros as well. Create an album in the Photos app and it's always available no matter what library you've got open. And how do you set that up? Sounds simple, but there are a couple of tricks to get the album to appear at the top of the list. I'll open Photos. From the File menu, select a new album. 1. Final Cut Pro callouts. Name the album whatever you like, except you need to use that 1 before the name so that it'll appear at the top when you select the Photos tab in Final Cut Pro. As you can see, I've already created a folder, but I suggest that you pin that album so that it appears at the top of the sidebar in your Photos app, and that'll make it easier to drag your images in. You can position that to suit. Now, you can drag images, logos, and video clips from the Finder into the album. Let's go back to Final Cut Pro. We can select the middle tab, select Photos, My Albums, and then scroll to the top, and there is the Final Cut Pro callouts.